Today let's solve that single question which can help you clear prelims this year. And the question is regarding Legislative Council of States. And the question reads, which of the following statements is or are correct regarding the Legislative Council? Statement number 1, the maximum strength is fixed at 1/5 of the total strength of Legislative Assembly. Statement number 2, the council is subjected to dissolution during emergency. Select the correct answers given the codes below. See, the question is regarding Legislative Council of States. See, Legislative Council is similar to Rajya Sabha in the Parliament. That is, Legislative Council is the upper house. Legislative Council is the upper house of state legislature. That means for the consideration of bill in the second house, some states are provided with Legislative Council. And the Constitution says that the maximum strength of a Legislative Council is fixed at 1/3 of the strength of Legislative Assembly of the state. That means if a state has the seat in the Legislative Assembly of a concerned state, if it is the total strength is 150, say example, okay, then the Legislative Council of that concerned state will be limited at maximum of 1/3 of 150. That is, maximum seat can be 50 only. Okay, and the Constitution also says that the minimum number to be 40. So the Constitution says that the maximum strength of the Legislative Council is 1/3 of the total strength of that concerned Legislative Assembly, but the minimum strength is 40. So even though Constitution says about the maximum minimum strength, the actual number is determined by the Parliament. This after the creation of Legislative Council state, at that time the Parliament determines the actual number. But the maximum number is fixed at 1/3 of the total strength of Legislative Assembly, and the minimum strength is fixed at 40. Fine, as I said, Legislative Council is similar to Rajya Sabha in the upper house, that is Rajya Sabha in the Parliament, that is upper house of the state legislature, and the maximum strength is fixed at 1/3, right? Statement number 1 says that the maximum strength is fixed at 1/5 of the total. It is not 1/5, it is only 1/3 of the strength of Legislative Assembly. So statement number 1 is wrong. Okay, regarding statement number 2, the council is subjected to dissolution during emergency. See, we already learned it is similar to Rajya Sabha in the Parliament. See, Rajya Sabha is the permanent house. It is not subjected to dissolution. Similarly, Legislative Council is also not subjected to dissolution. Why? Because it is a permanent house. But similar to Rajya Sabha, here also 1/3 members retire every 2 years. Similar to Rajya Sabha, 1/3 members of Legislative Council retires every 2 years and fresh elections are conducted. And please note that the members of the Legislative Council are indirectly elected. That is, 1/3 members are elected by MLAs and 1/3 members of the Legislative Council are elected by members of local bodies. That is, panchayats and municipalities, etc. And 1/12 of the members are elected by graduates of 3 years who are residing in their state itself, and 1/12 members are elected by teachers of 3 years who are residing within their state, who is not below secondary level. Okay, and the remaining 1/6 members are nominated by the governor. I repeat once again, the members are indirectly elected to the Legislative Council, but in Legislative Assembly, the members are directly elected. In Legislative Council, members are indirectly elected. And out of the total members, 1/3 members are elected by MLAs of the concerned state, 1/3 members are elected by members of local bodies, 1/12 members are elected by graduates of 3 years who are residing within that state, and 1/12 members are elected by teachers whose rank is not below in secondary standard, and the remaining 1/6 members are nominated by the governor from among the persons who have practical knowledge or experience in art, science, literature, social service and cooperative movement. So in these 5 fields, who have practical experience or knowledge. From among them, the governor of the concerned state can nominate the remaining 1/6 members to that concerned legislative council. So these are the core points you have to remember regarding the legislative council office. Okay, so statement number 2 is also wrong because it says that the council is subjected to the dissolution, but actually the council is not subjected to dissolution, and the maximum strength is fixed at 1/3 and not 1/5. Okay, so since both the statements are wrong, our answer becomes option D, that is neither 1 nor 2. Okay, and if you feel this video useful, please share it to your fellow aspirants and also subscribe our channel for more quality videos. Thank you.